How you guys doing? This is just a little follow-up detail on this Cadillac here before I put it all together. But regarding that switch right there, yeah, that's mounted from the bottom up. Do be careful. There's some electronics in these switches, so you need to be kind of further back. I'm going to say at least an inch back from the radius here. So, pull back about an inch and then drill your hole over in there. You go in from the bottom up. And I was able to get that wiring cleanly. This panel comes off. I put all my wiring in here with the factory fuse box right there. Put some leads on the switch before I put it in and backed them out that way. So what I wanted to show you also was down here in the firewall before I put this back together. Okay, wow, looking at battery cables. All right up there, right next to the hood cable. Okay, you can see that's where we put a grommet, one of our 3/4 grommets in, and we ran a split loom on our wires that we needed to pass from the engine bay into the car. That would be the power and ground for the battery, from the battery block up front for your fuse for your power, and that was also for the front lighting, power and ground. Pass that through back here to the switch. So that's the firewall access on this 2021 Cadillac CT5 350. So if you need to see the firewall, that's what we did. And if you're thinking about a switch, that's where it was.